The presenting problem, I would say, is I felt like I was kind of taking on the masculine role of our relationship, and I kind of was, I feel like he was kind of depending on me for a lot of things, and I felt like I wasn't able to tap into my feminine, because I am very feminine, and after just a few sessions, I mean, we've been together for like 4.5 years, and after just one, my boyfriend just completely changed. After just even listening to the audio, I know he really wanted to make the change, and he just completely was able to take on that role and kind of provide that space for me, so that I don't have to constantly worry about things, and I don't have to constantly be the one to, initiate things, or and that was a big part of our relationship. And I feel like even just yesterday, it was Valentine's Day, and he told me, he went all out, and he told me that he was making up for the past 4 years that he kind of slacked on there. And we're just both really surprised how fast it was. We both feel like we have that connection now. We both can even read each other's minds, and it's crazy, like we feel like we have that same feeling from when we first met, and now we understand why we started dating and why we fell in love with each other, and we kind of lost out throughout the years because we were constantly focusing on the negative. Especially me, I was constantly just focused on the expectations and the nagging, and focusing on what he's lacking. And now that I've completely changed my perspective, as has my boyfriend, we both are able to give each other what we were missing and what we were wanting from one another.